Hello. Please join me for a quick tour of the Amana brand showroom. It's part of the DTTP, which is the largest HVAC manufacturing facility in North America. The showroom provides a concise review of the many reasons why the Amana brand is America's choice for indoor comfort. Let's start with this area. Amana brand has American pride. That's because the Amana brand heating and cooling equipment is designed, engineered, and assembled in the United States. This section of the showroom includes a video that captures the amazing workers of this facility, where you can see firsthand the American spirit of the Amana brand. Next on the tour stop is the Comfort Home Automation Display. This suite of smart home automation systems includes solutions for indoor air, water, energy, access, and awareness. Imagine a system that allows you to view your front door from anywhere an internet connection is available, or automatically shut the main water supply and send you an alert, or monitor your home's complete energy use. The suite of Comfort Home components offers homeowners many benefits that make a home smart and the homeowner even smarter. What technology makes the Amana brand a premium option for smart homeowners? You can find that answer in this display of the technology associated with the Amana brand. In this part of the showroom, you can learn why Amana brand heat pumps offer more enhancements compared to other brands. Further, you can discover the benefits of Smart Coil, a 5mm copper tube and aluminum fin condenser coil. And then there's the stainless steel heat exchanger with wrinkle bin technology. It has been tested in the Amana brand lab without fail for nearly 3 million cycles. How's that for premium performance? Many Amana brand air handlers feature two product technology enhancements. One is the all-aluminum evaporator coils, and the other is the smart frame substructure. Use of an all-aluminum evaporator coil is designed to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter for many, many years. The smart frame substructure provides an added strength to the air handler. And don't overlook a real model of a transparent Amana brand gas furnace and heat pump. Next on our tour stop is the Amana brand packaged units. These high-efficiency self-contained units offer customers many advantages, including heat exchangers with wrinkle bin technology, single-side access doors, and much more. Of course, the product line includes straight cooling, heat pump, and gas-electric models. In this special room, you'll be able to view many of the energy-efficient Amana brand heating and cooling systems. All are controlled by different thermostats, and the units are connected to power, so you can hear just how quiet they operate. The systems in this area help to demonstrate the various product enhancements you will find throughout the Amana brand. Let's move on to the Clean Comfort Indoor Air Essentials product line. That's right, I said essentials. Simply offering heated or cooled air to indoor environments is not enough anymore. Smart dealers and homeowners know that indoor comfort isn't fully complete without proper humidification, dehumidification, filtration, and ventilation. Why put your indoor air at risk? The Universal Clean Comfort product line offers a wide array of products that provide specialized treatment of indoor air that is essential for achieving enhanced levels of human comfort. After our tour, be certain to visit the Amana brand website at www.amana-hac.com. There you'll find an incredible assortment of information about the Amana brand and why it's a leader in the heating and cooling industry. If you haven't noticed it yet, Amana brand has a rich history of technological developments that have resulted in energy-efficient heating and cooling performance engineered for any home and any budget. Americans have been relying on premium, long-lasting Amana brand products since 1934, when Amana, Iowa native George Forstner accepted a challenge of building a dependable beverage cooler. The display behind me provides a timeline of the history of the Amana brand. Well, it looks like we're back to where we started our tour. I hope that you enjoyed learning more about the Amana brand. Today, we barely scratched the surface of the information, technology, and premium performance that the Amana brand delivers to millions and millions of homeowners every year. But now, maybe you have a better idea of why the Amana brand is America's choice for indoor comfort.
Amana.